Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the driver power seat and passenger power seat guys on Mercedes C-Class generation W205 guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, what you can expect. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes guys. You need to know that to save you money as well. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the fuses, relays for the driver and the passenger power seats come. We'll show you where you can expect to find them. There will be hidden fuse boxes all over that Mercedes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What we need to do here specifically guys, first we need to go ahead and open the passenger door, and when you do that, here on the inside in the footwell compartment on the right side, on the AP over here, you have one cover. Open it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, what you need to check specifically, we need to check 3 fuses here, then we need to go to different fuse box and check 4 more, so make sure you stay until the end. We're going to start guys by checking, okay, first fuse 305. So you wonder where 305 is. Starting here, that's, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot, that's 301, 2, 3, 4, 5. 305 and 306. These 230 amp fuses will need to be checked. Then we have another one. You see, that's known as MF1. That fuse right here guys, that fuse actually guys, okay, has multiple fuses integrated in it. So you need to remove it and test all of them, because one of those will be actually for that as well. So guys, the next thing that we need to check, okay, we need to go ahead and check a few more fuses and where they're located in the trunk. When you open the trunk guys, you need to lift your carpet liner up. Underneath on the right side you have a cover right here underneath the carpet liner. Lift it up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here we need to check multiple fuses guys, and some of those, okay, you may or may not have this one depending on which model, year and configuration you have, but starting here that will be fuse 400, 401, 2, 3. So you will need to check fuse 403 and 404 if you have them guys. The next thing, okay, you will need to check 2 more, and that specifically guys is fuse number 419 and 420. These two fuses right here are very important as well. Now what about relays? You don't have any relays. The module practically corresponds for the relay function. Those are known as relay fuses. Those are the only things that you will guys need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.